Many people got a problem, and I gotta tell you, you got nothing to worry about.
言葉を隠して溢れ出して寂しさを紛らわしてさよならまたいつかなんてほらよ風がまたここを通り過ぎるまたしようまたいつか
Now for part 2. You may be saying, you may be wondering, is there pesticides in my food? Are there chemicals? Am I going to get cancer? Now these are problems that we all face today, and so I have a fix to that problem. Now here in my hotel room, I go to the store, and in the store they have these seeds. You take the seeds and you put them in the dirt, and over here out comes plants. So you got your plants, you got your kale, you got your basil, you got your garlic. If you put it in the dirt, it will grow and produce more food. And then you can eat it. So we're gonna come over here. We're gonna take a little piece of kale. Take a little pressure. Good. There we go. Tastes good. And the more plants you plant, the more food you're gonna get. So these are growing pretty good. And what I do, I fill half with rocks on the bottom and water, and half with dirt, and therefore the roots soak into the water and really helps grow the plants. And no pesticides, no chemicals. If you got a problem, you got to use your brain, and then you're good. So thank you. So I just want to say, stop wasting your time and money on ads from other people trying to sell you something on how to do it right. You come here to the El Coyote Local Show and I tell you how to do it right. If you're spending all this money on these products, things they may sell you in the store, they say it's the best weight loss, it's the best thing. Now you got a problem. But you come here to me and now we have a fix to the problem. And that fixes the problem. Keep the diet simple. Keep it with fruits. Keep it with vegetables. Grow your own. Do a little DIY, do it yourself kind of stuff. And then you're good. Save money, save time, be smart. Don't get scammed.
またしよう